Hi friends, we will learn how to make lemon tea Kolkata style. Yes, let's go. We will need ginger, a small piece of ginger, lemon, and hajmola. We all like, yeah, and jaggery candy, or you will use sugar. Premix water with jaggery candy and grated the ginger. You can see, yeah, and we will add it to water. And wait for boiling. Just give 5 minutes. Till then we can make hajmola dust, hajmola powder by smashing it something heavy. You can see the process. Yeah, that's it. And here is the hajmola powder. It's a very fine powder, you can see. Yeah. See, the water is boiling, and now we will add the tea leaves. Yeah. There is the tea leaf, and then we'll turn off the heat and cover it. The liquor has come out, we can see. Yes. Now we will squeeze the lemon. Don't squeeze too much, or else it will give a bitter taste. Yeah. And we will add the hajmola powder. And then stir, 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 stir. And add a little bit of rock salt. And then again stir. Yeah. ভেঙে মোর ঘরের চাবি নিয়ে যাবি কে আমারে la la. Now stir properly, and now the lemon tea is ready to serve. Yeah, here is the lemon tea.